Okay, we're recording.
Yay!
Yay! I just want to introduce myself. I am Theda Blackwood, and this is Tiffany Waisanen, out in Texas. And
Woohoo!
did I say your last name right?
It's Waisanen.
Ah, dang it. Okay, I'm sorry. Should I?
That's okay.
I'll just let it go. Anyway, people butcher my name too, so. Anyway, I wanted to bring Tiffany on here because Tiffany has short hair and we want to, well, first of all, I'll just ask you, how do you like using the method? What is different about using the method to other stuff that you've used?
I use only 3 products now, opposed to having to do, anywhere from 4 to 5 additional items to get it to stay and style. I haven't used hairspray in probably over a month. And so I don't have the sticky, crunchy hair. And here in Texas, it can get humid and it can be cold in the morning, hot in the afternoon, and my hair still feels great. So
That's awesome.
I've just really enjoyed using the full method.
Awesome. All right. So how do you use the 3 products? Because everybody's using them differently. What's your method?
My method is I start with a square root, and I like to have the volume here. Got to have big hair in Texas, so square root is great. It is also, I've already noticed hair growth coming in, so I've been using it for 2 months, and I spray it here and just
on dry hair or wet hair?
Wet.
Okay.
Well, actually both.
Okay.
On the days I do wash my hair, I'll do it on wet. But there have been mornings that I've gotten up and my hair still looks decent after sleeping on it. So I'll just spray a little bit in there, scrunch it up a little, and good to go. Okay. So, and I don't even have to dry it at that point. So I just spray a little bit on there and go. So yes, start with the square root for the volume at the roots. Then I actually take the density and the sugar pie, put just a little dab of density in my hand, squirt some sugar pie on it, and do it pretty much from, don't get down on the roots, but kind of middle to end. Mm-hmm. Again, on wet hair in that instance. And then I'll do just sugar pie by itself on the ends and then dry it.
And it helps all the frizz.
And I don't have mousse. I don't have any other kind of styling products to make this curl up like that.
That's great. So. That is awesome. That's very simple.
So, and then I'll do a little bit of sugar pie just on the ends, just to flip it out like this, calm down any other little sprigs that may have gotten out, and ready to go.
That is awesome. Oh my gosh. Well, thank you. It is a lot shorter. I mean, a lot shorter of a process with short hair too.
That it is.
That's awesome. Well, thank you, Tiffany, for taking your time to share with everybody how you use the method.
Great. Thank you.
Thanks.